Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Dell 22 series monitor, and now I can show you how to change your color preset on this device. Firstly, click on the one of the navigation buttons, then click on this color button, and here you will see all your presets. You can select one of the presets. Using these two buttons you can navigate by this menu, and here you can choose comfort view, movie, game, warm, cool, and custom color. You can set up your custom color. Here you can change your air, your G, red, green, blue colors. So red color you can set up it, and you can set up green and blue color too. For example, you can cut all blue lights from your screen if you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.